Make this 4th of July a safe holiday for you and your whole family. Don't use illegal and dangerous fireworks. The majority of firework-related injuries are caused by firecrackers, sparklers, and bottle rockets. A permit is required for the sale of all fireworks, and those permits are only valid from June 1st to July 15th each year. Firecrackers, cherry bombs, and skyrockets are just a few examples of fireworks that are illegal in our county. Even the possession of unapproved fireworks can get you charged with a Class 1 misdemeanor, which carries a maximum penalty of $2,500 and/or 1 year in jail. It's not rocket science. Have a safe 4th of July holiday. Remember, there are many public displays available that offer a safe way to view fireworks. For more information on this or other safety issues, please contact the Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department's Public Affairs and Life Safety Education at 703-246-3801, TTY 711.